Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Immigration, your one stop to travel, work, study, and settle abroad. So, today we have a very important topic which is about Luxembourg, and there are many topics related to it, such as a job, PR, visa, and so on. So, the first question is, can we get PR in Luxembourg? Well, in most cases, if you're staying in Luxembourg for more than 5 years, you qualify to apply for a PR. Which job is high in demand in Luxembourg for foreigners? Bank and finance employees, accountants, and social workers are always in demand. Those looking for jobs in Luxembourg as English speakers should definitely try in the IT sectors and banking. The next question is, what is a Type D work visa in Luxembourg? Well, this visa is typically used for business trips, conferences, meetings, family trips, long stay, and more. This visa is meant for third country nationals who want to travel to Luxembourg for more than 3 months for work, education, or to join a family member who is an EU citizen. How many Indians are working in Luxembourg? Well, the percentage has increased by 20% since 2018, and the current PIO and OCI card holders are around 550. Well, there's another question, which is, can I work in Luxembourg if I only speak English? Yes, you can still crack a job even if you only speak English, though there are 3 official languages, which is Luxembourgish, German, and French. But there are many other opportunities for people who only speak English. The next question is, how to get a PR in Luxembourg? To get the PR in Luxembourg, you must be able to prove that you have been staying in the country for at least 5 years and above. A registration certificate filed 5 years ago is generally more than enough. Is it easy to settle in Luxembourg? Luxembourg is a tiny country in Europe. Around 46% of the people living in Luxembourg are non-nationals. This makes the country a true cosmopolitan. Well, you see, there are so many people from different backgrounds already living in Luxembourg, so settling in Luxembourg won't be difficult at all. So this was some important news for you guys, and we will keep filling in with more such information in the future. So stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.